Whether you're a pro or a hobbyist, the right clamp can make all the difference in your woodworking projects. Today, we're diving into the 10 best clamps that will help you achieve precision, stability, and seamless assembly. Let's get started. Number 1. When installing drawer fronts, precision is everything, and that's where these clamps shine. The one-click locking mechanism makes it incredibly easy to secure the drawer face without worrying about misalignment. No more time wasted on repositioning. Just lock it and get the job done right the first time. These clamps come with bow-shaped clips designed to fit different gaps, adjusting from 21 mm to 50 mm, ensuring a snug fit on various drawer thicknesses. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with a reinforced 2 mm thick clamp head, they provide a firm, reliable hold so you can drill with confidence. Whether you're working on cabinets, drawers, or other woodworking projects, these fixing clips offer universal compatibility, making them a must-have in any workshop. If you're looking for a tool that simplifies installation while guaranteeing accuracy, this is one you'll want in your toolkit. Efficiency and precision, right at your fingertips. Number 2. If you're working on large panels, this clamp is a game changer. It applies pressure in 2 directions at once, making it easy to keep everything aligned while securing your project. Whether you're making cutting boards, tabletops, or cabinet panels, this clamp fits most sizes, working with panels from 3/4 of an inch to 3 inches thick and widths ranging from 10 to 36 inches. One of its biggest advantages is the 4-way pressure it provides, ensuring the middle boards stay flat and don't bow or pop out of place. That means less warping, straighter glue-ups, and a whole lot less sanding afterward. Built from 2 mm thick steel and finished with a durable powder coating, the rail is designed to last. If precision and efficiency matter in your woodworking projects, this clamp is an essential tool that makes assembly easier and more reliable. Number 3. When it comes to securing large woodworking pieces, this 48-inch bar clamp is a reliable choice. With a throat depth of 1.5 inches and a maximum opening capacity of 44.5 inches, it's designed to hold various shapes and sizes, whether square, round, or rectangular. Whether you're assembling furniture, splicing panels, or securing box joints, this clamp makes the job easier. The lever clamp can handle up to 150 kilograms of pressure, ensuring a tight, slip-free grip. Its threaded screw-in design allows for precise adjustments, keeping your workpiece firmly in place during processing. The built-in graduations help woodworkers position and clamp materials with accuracy, eliminating guesswork. Designed for comfort and durability, its ergonomic grip minimizes hand fatigue, while the sliding arm moves smoothly. Made from high-strength carbon steel and aluminum, this clamp is built to last. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, it's a versatile tool worth considering. Number 4. This clamp set is a solid addition to any woodworking setup. You get a mix of 4 6-inch bar clamps, 2 12-inch bar clamps, and 2 6-inch spring clamps, covering a range of clamping needs. The smaller clamps work well for spreaders up to 11 inches, while the larger ones handle up to 17 inches, giving you more flexibility. Built with a tough nylon body and hardened steel bars, they're designed to take a beating, whether in the workshop or on-site. The quick change button makes switching from clamping to spreading effortless. Just push the red button, remove the jaws, flip them, and snap them back in place. With 150 pounds of squeeze capacity and a sturdy metal ratchet mechanism, these clamps grip tight without slipping. The pads feature a flexible, non-slip texture for extra security, and the quick-release design makes adjustments simple. Lightweight but durable, these are built for repeated use. Number 5. When precision matters, this 4-inch bar clamp is the tool you need. With a throat depth of 3 inches and a maximum opening capacity of 4 inches, it's compact yet powerful, making it perfect for small woodworking projects and fine adjustments. The real standout feature is its rapid action quick release button. which lets you instantly release or adjust the clamp with just a push. No fumbling around required. Designed to provide a firm grip without shifting or twisting, it ensures your workpiece stays exactly where you need it during tightening. With a 600-pound load limit, this clamp delivers serious holding power, making it a reliable choice for professionals and hobbyists alike. The sturdy build ensures durability, while the smooth operation enhances workflow efficiency. Whether you're securing delicate joints or locking pieces into place for precision work, this clamp makes the job quicker, easier, and more reliable every time. Number 6. This bench dog clamp is a must-have for precision woodworking. It's designed to securely hold workpieces up to 2 3/4 inches thick in 3/4 inch diameter dog holes, making it versatile for various projects. One of its best features is how easy it is to use. You can operate it with one hand and adjust the pressure without worrying about damaging the wood. The locking mechanism is simple, yet effective, applying up to 600 pounds of clamping force to prevent the workpiece from shifting. Durability is key, and this clamp is built to last with high-quality stainless steel that resists wear and tear over time. Whether you're milling, cutting, grinding, or just need extra stability on your workbench, this compact tool delivers. Lightweight yet powerful, it's easy to carry around, making it a reliable choice for professionals and DIYers who want accuracy and convenience in their woodworking projects. Number 7. These heavy-duty spring clamps are built for strength and versatility, making them essential for woodworking, photography, and household projects. Made with reinforced fiberglass, they deliver a solid 30 pounds of clamping force that holds strong for up to 72 hours. Whether you're securing thick materials or holding a backdrop stand, the deep throat design provides an extra-wide 3-inch jaw opening, giving you more flexibility. Comfort matters too, and these clamps are designed with an ergonomic grip and padded handles for a secure and strain-free hold. The pivoting jaw pads adjust smoothly to uneven surfaces, preventing damage to delicate materials while ensuring a firm grip. You also get 3 extra replaceable pads included, so you're always covered. Lightweight yet durable, these clamps are perfect for DIYers and professionals alike. If you need a reliable grip that won't slip, these are the clamps to keep in your workspace. Number 8. Arty Master. Corner clamps are built tough, made from high-quality aluminum alloy, and coated with an anodized finish that resists rust and corrosion. With an enhanced design, these clamps deliver a stronger clamping force compared to traditional clamps, making it a breeze to hold workpieces firmly for precise 90-degree alignments every time. They come with 2 right-angle positioning squares and 4 C-clamps, letting you mark and hold corners exactly, ensuring steady, square joints during cutting, sanding, or assembly. The graduated markings on the C-clamps let you set the perfect gap before securing everything, reducing the hassle of misalignment. Whether you're working on picture frames, drawers, cabinets, or furniture, these clamps make sure every joint is spot on. They're versatile and reliable for both beginners and pros, and they even make a thoughtful gift for any woodworking enthusiast. These clamps boost your workshop confidence and quality. Absolutely built to last. Number 9.020. 9 universal fence clamps have built a reputation for reliability in woodworking projects. Engineered for use with miter saws, router tables, and table saws, these clamps offer a precise and secure hold. Each unit fits seamlessly into a 3/8 inch hole in any auxiliary fence, with a travel range from 1/2 inch to 5 3/4 inches, 12 millimeters to 146 millimeters, to accommodate various setups. The rigid aluminum body and 3/8 inch rod construction guarantee durability and consistent performance over time. A non-marring clamp pad protects delicate surfaces from scratches, while pairing them with 90-degree clamping squares makes achieving perfect corners effortless. These clamps secure shop-built auxiliary fences to existing setups without interfering with other components, ensuring every alignment remains true and every cut precise. Quality craftsmanship ensures reliable performance in every workshop setup, making these clamps a versatile and indispensable tool for accurate woodworking. Number 10. Craig K. H. C 90-degree corner clamp is engineered to create precise joinery in woodworking. This clamp holds corners and partitions at an exact 90-degree angle, ensuring perfectly aligned joints for drawers, cabinets, cases, and boxes. Featuring Automax corner clamp technology, it automatically adjusts to varying wood thicknesses up to 1 inch, simplifying the process. Strong clamping force provides secure mating of pieces, reducing rework and enhancing overall quality. A clever design allows insertion of a Craig screw through an integrated hole, so fastening can continue without removing the clamp. Built to last, its durable construction handles daily use on busy job sites or in home shops. Designed for efficiency, these clamps streamline assembly and guarantee accuracy every time. Ideal for both beginners and seasoned professionals, this corner clamp is a dependable solution for achieving the perfect right angle in every project. Exceptional craftsmanship and smart design deliver reliable performance every time.